Okay, hello there. We're going to unbox now another delivery from Shopee. And this is for our accessories and I mean parts of my motorcycle. XRM 125 Carb type. Okay. So supplier is Bicol Speedtech Motor Corp. Okay, as you can see the box is in tape. Nice. It's label fragile. Very good packaging, even though no bubble wrap, but it's kinda secure. All right, so inside on this box is the PIAA horn, and then the brake shoe, genuine brake shoe of Honda XRM 125 Carb, and then what else? I don't know. Let's open this one. I'm excited though. So I have scissors in here. Let's go. I admire the packaging though. It's real nice packaging in there. Oh yeah, it's fragile. Very nice. Thumbs up on the sealer for this very secure packaging you made for my items. Yo. Okay. There's a QR code. Alright. Oh man, my scissors back then. She's so beautiful. The girl in there. It's beautiful. Yo, I don't really care. Dry. Blah blah blah. So hey. Yo. So okay, inside the box is, there you go. This is the PIAA Oto style horn. Yup, it's legit. As you can see, we have the hologram in here, so that says it's legit. All right. Yo, nice, bro. Let's open this one. Yo, oops. Oh, where's the sticker? PIAA Oto style. Yo, the horn's big, bro. Hi. Horn's big though. Come on. Yo. How do I get that? Hey. Okay. So, this is the item. Oh boy. So actually it's a real nice packaging. It's UA 120 volts. It's 500 hertz ABS. Nice. So let's see, check inside. Alright, so look, there is no assembly, it's just only the horn itself. It's only the horn itself. Okay, but it's big though. Horn is big. Oto style. Okay, this is the horn. It's very big. Okay. So there is no other item inside. It's just the horn itself. As you can see, it's two horns for the PIAA Nice one. We're going to install it to our motorcycle later. This is the box. It has a sticker. Okay, this one. Alright, nice. Yo, very nice. Very nice. Okay, that's it. And then next in our bags is the Honda XR. Oh, chain set. Yo, it's the chain set. Chain set for Honda XRM 125 Carb. Honda genuine part chain and sprocket kit. Okay. So this is the chain set. Not bad. So this is the model and the 420 14T 420 39T. Okay, let me check. Just open this one. So inside is so the chain itself and the sprocket. I think the sprocket's big. Come on. This is the front and this is the back. I think it's 39. Oh my god, I think this is big. Oh my god, this is big. $420. It's $90. Oh my god, this is big, bro. I think that will not fit. This will not fit. Okay. So that's it. So rear sprocket, it's 420 by 90, 3090, and this is the front 420 by 14T, and this is the chain. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Chain and sprocket set. Nice. So I'm gonna close this one. We're gonna go to proceed to our third item, which is the third item. Yo. The third item. Okay, this is the brake shoe. Honda shoe situation. I guess it's used already. Made in Thailand. I don't know if this is legit. Honda brake shoe. So this is a brake shoe. Ow. So that's it. That's the items. The XRM chain set, the brake shoe, and the PIAA Oto style horn. Right, thanks.